Hello everyone, I am Bujangaravu Tammisettu. You are just going to watch the video on the topic what to do, how to improve your listening skills. What to do, how to improve your listening skills. Nowadays, many people are interested in speaking English eloquently, but many of them fail to achieve it. It became a mere dream to them. Why? What causes them to be slow in speaking in English with their friends or others even though they are good at English grammar? All this leads to only one thing, I strongly believe. They lack in an important skill. What's it? That's the listening skills you often hear. Is it? But unfortunately, many new learners of English ignore it intentionally or inadvertently at the cost of their speaking English fluently. Believe it or not, that's the main drawback of their getting fluent in English. To be frank, the more your listening skills, the better your communication skills will be. What to do, how to improve your listening skills? Don't worry, don't feel nervous, don't get scared. Please stay active. Here are a few important tips for you to go ahead in this aspect. Okay. First of all, choose an English video useful to you. You better not watch the long video at the initial stage. When you are watching it, keep your eyes closed. Just listen to the audio only. Why so? Whenever you start listening to the audio without reading any transcript or subtitles, your listening efficiency will automatically improve on and on. First, it seems to be somewhat difficult. It doesn't matter whether you are able to catch the tone and modulation of the speaker or not. Okay. Of course, in course of listening practice, the speaker's voice makes you improve your understanding capacity gradually and then slowly. Okay. You need to keep a notebook handy. Why? If you want to take necessary or important notes from the video, don't hesitate to scribble them down in the notebook for going through them later. Repeat this process as many times as possible. Okay. Do you know what objective this tip means? The main objective of this tip is particularly made for checking of how much and how well you understand just by listening without reading any transcript or subtitles. Don't overlook this tip in any situation. Okay. Now keep your eyes open. Rewind the video. Close your ears with some cotton swab or earmuffs in order to avoid listening. Start watching the video carefully, reading the transcript or subtitles of the audio you have already listened to. Don't forget to look up and take notes of your important words, and at the same time try to highlight the parts which you understand in the reading process itself. Repeat this process once again. In this stage, you can check off your own accords to what extent you have understood. Okay. Now, start watching the video again, listening to the audio and reading the transcript or subtitles simultaneously. Maintain a roving eye carefully for interesting words or phrases. Why? You can definitely see or find how they are strung skillfully together to express ideas or messages eloquently and succinctly across to the reader or to the speaker. Next to say, you better focus on the parts which you fail to understand. Please don't forget to evaluate why you have failed to understand. Think it over once seriously. Was it simply because of the vocabulary problem? Was it simply because of the speed or the accent or the connected speech? In order to get full clarification in this connection, you can play, pause, rewind and then play back again and again patiently. Okay. Now, start listening back again without looking after transcript. Why should you do it so? It will be helpful for you to ascertain how much you understand now that you have completed a 4-step process. What can you understand now that you couldn't before? Do you feel anything difficult? Are there any critical parts which you are still struggling to get? Find why not. On the whole, you should understand the audio a lot better than the first time around. Look at the newer important words you have already scribbled down in your notebook. Review them once. Improving listening indicates increasing your vocabulary. And at the same time, here is one thing to say. It matters not how much new words and phrases you know by this process, but how to use them properly in your daily English usage matters most. Don't forget, it's an important factor. Okay. To say it in some more detail, the more vocabulary stock you have, the greater and better understanding capacity you will have. Keep the new words in mind to recall to memory whenever necessary. Choose a convenient time every day and make it a habit. Watch the same video 2 or 3 days later, particularly listening back to the audio. After a couple of days, listen again to the audio. Why so? Your brain needs a bit of time to process the new information. Of course, it's also a good reviewing exercise which helps you remember new vocabulary and language. Finally, to say, listening skills will surely enhance your speaking ability. So all these tips can make you extend and evaluate your development, which helps you boost your confidence more and more. If you adopt these tips sincerely and seriously, no doubt you will surely become a gem in spoken English. Okay, thank you all for watching this video. Wish you all the best. Bye for now.